सर अब हम थोड़ी सी बातचीत करना चाहेंगे आपसे कि आपके लाइफ में क्या हुआ, आपका स्टांस उस पे क्या है, आपके व्यूज क्या है, या आपके वैल्यूज, या आप कैसे सोचते हैं।
So, can you please share a moment when failure or any tough situation, setback, become a turning point in your life, and how the students and approach to that failures?
The first thing in military career, our basic training is so hard. We have been shaped up so beautifully and so hardy that when the situation comes, we are all the time calm. As a military leader, you're supposed to be, you're the last resort. Imagine the entire country is banking on you. I will say, why to talk about a military leader here? I like to tell what a common man should do in day-to-day life when they come under pressure. Why I gave you example that I prepare myself for the marathon which I'm supposed to run at 6:30 in the morning, but I run at 9:30. I prepare myself for the worst. I plan well. I plan for the contingencies. When I plan ahead, I train myself in the worst conditions, and then I visualize my what all resources are available to me and what exactly I can do. What is my self worth? What is my ability? Am I born to knock down? Why should I get knocked down? I'm not supposed to be getting knocked down. God has not made me to get knocked down. Why I am going to come bring down my guard? I'll strike hard. When you remain calm, well, you have got a confidence in yourself, in your team, in your comradeship, in your ability, in your potential. There's no question arises that you are getting bogged down by some situation. And remember, the situation has come to you, reshape you for the stronger person. याद रखना ये. This is what exactly is I always felt it. So nothing to worry. Train yourself hard, plan ahead, and work on the contingency. Nothing will happen to you.
Yes, sir.
आजकल जो हो रहा है कि सारे बच्चों के पास इंस्टाग्राम है, उनके पास मोबाइल फोन है, उनके पास इतनी सारी चीजें हैं कि वो इतना डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जा रहे हैं अपने मेन गोल कि वो भटक जाते हैं कि अच्छा जेई के लिए पढ़ना था, 2 मिनट इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल कर लेते हैं। अच्छा ये करना था, ये प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना था, 5 मिनट यहाँ गेम खेल लेते हैं। तो सर उन सारी चीजों से हटने के लिए और अपने आप गोल पे फोकस करने के लिए हमें एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाना होगा। तो सर उसके लिए पहला स्टेप क्या होना।
Do you think that mobile is the only remedy? Do you, in our good old days, we never used to have any kind of a mobile to get refreshed and all, or even in the army also during my career, I all the time used nature as my so-called bring refreshing me. अगर मैंने रिफ्रेश होना है, मैं कमरे से निकल के जहां पर एसी लगा हुआ है, दूसरे कमरे में एसी जो जिम है, मैं वहां नहीं जाऊंगा. आई सी समथिंग एल्स. I like to touch something new. And by the way, why we should get distracted? You only selected your goals. You only selected your life. Why you are getting distracted? No, what I'm trying to say, please, you need to really have a confidence level should not shatter. As a 3-year-old baby, you smiled, your parents smiled. And as a 20-year-old child, you are distracted. Your parents are in a grief pain. The parental love is unconditional love. Why you want to show them that you are in pain? Why you not trying to create your own identity and giving them a kind of your dad will say, yeah, my daughter, who is a fighter pilot now, my daughter who is an army officer, IS officer, IPS officer, or a great astronaut, or an engineer, डॉक्टर. डू सो. किताबें अच्छी पढ़ो, अच्छे दोस्त बनाओ. Go and meet those people who give you sunshine rather than going back to the reels which are creating us some kind of a turbulence in your mind. Okay?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Moving to the next question, what daily practices that we should have? Daily practices like mental, physical, or emotional exercises so that we can overcome the challenges.
You have asked a very right question. आप Sikh regiment के हो, Sikh troop. You can see the stretch behind.
Yes, sir.
And this trophy with the which is of a glass is of a commandos. Anyway, to become a member of a special forces, अगर आपको लगता है कमांडो शुड लुक लाइक जॉन रैम्बो, वो आपका गलत नजरिया है. यू गो एंड मीट सम स्पेशल फोर्सेस मेंबर, दे आर स्लीक like a hawk, like a tiger. They move, they are quiet, they are very calm, they are highly trained people. And what exactly is required to become a commando is a great mindset, instinct, confidence, fearlessness. Have you seen a tiger in the forest mark their zone? किसी की मजाल नहीं होती वहां पे आने. In your life also, kindly live like a tiger, mark your zone, and when you walk, people should say how majestic you are. Becoming commando is total here. You can be a 6-feeter, but you got some fear. You're not fit enough to become a commando. No hang up, fearlessness, team spirit, carrying your own body on the shoulder. If he's wounded, bringing back home what may come. Either you will also remain or you both will come back. This is dosti, because you are trained hard. You are groomed harder with a military ethos, military values. Okay. Now coming to your exercises. Physically, please do not use 4 walls to train yourself. Go out, run like a Lucy Gray of a William Wordsworth poem. पढ़ा आप? उसकी तरह दौड़ो मैदान के अंदर. A happy child touching all the flowers, running. Now all these weathers, जितने भी climate हैं, वो आपको टेस्ट करने के लिए आते हैं. Don't get overwhelmed. I ran my marathon in Cherrapunji also, pouring throughout. Ran in a high altitude. It was snowing. Ran in a mountain. Ran in a desert. Testing myself. Testing my inner endurance. Endure, and rather one time you must test your own boundaries. जब आप सुपरसोनिक रॉकेट या मिसाइल की तरह ऐसे निकलोगे ना, when you look back, you are a legend. स्टार्ट लाइन पे हर कोई कॉमन आदमी होता है. फिजिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बात कर. When you finish off touch the finishing line, you are a legend. New person is born. 21 kilometer. I ran 50 kilometer, 40, 30. Done it, dusted it. When it comes to your mental health, when you're training your body, automatically your mind is also becoming stronger. There was a one difference shown a doctor ka ki person not doing exercise, person doing exercise, green and yellow. That's the contrast. Yoga, meditation, nature will heal you. These are the small exercises. I'm telling you, please use them. I am still using them and still following them. I'm still going the flow of my. That's what.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. सर हमारा ये पूरा पॉडकास्ट मेजरली एक जो क्लास में 6 क्लास के बहुत छोटे बच्चे होते हैं टू 12th क्लास, जिनका माइंड अभी भी इवॉल्व कर रहा है न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज की तरफ, नई चीजों की तरफ. अगर आपको उन्हें कोई मैसेज देना हो या उन्हें कोई लाइफ की लेसन बताने हो तो आप उन्हें क्या बताएं?
My message to those children who are graduating or about to graduate or starting their life will always be, please accept yourself first, then only other will accept you. 1, have faith in destiny. 2, work hard, nothing succeed. Success. 3, be disciplined and consistent. Okay, no shortcuts. Be humble. Life will always give you positive challenges and take the challenges as a blessing. Okay, and another part which I like to that which is very important is do not get bogged down. Nothing will happen. There is nothing called failure. Failure is giving you experience. It is a new ray telling you change your course, you will be successful. And I'm telling you, please, for God's sake, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Your life will go on. Like a sweet music of Titan, it will go. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now coming to the scholars part. So we have the scholars from top most eminent institutes of India. I'm requesting Fulmati.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था, जैसे कि मान लीजिए हम किसी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की या किसी भी चीज की तैयारी करते हैं तो उसके अंदर अच्छे खासे टाइम के लिए हमें कंसिस्टेंट रहना पड़ता है. लेकिन क्या होता है किसी छोटी मोटी फ्रस्ट्रेशन के कारण या कुछ ऐसे ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन आ जाते हैं जिसके कारण हम कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रह पाते. एंटायर ड्यूरेशन में कंसिस्टेंट कैसे रहना है?
पहला चीज है फोकस. सेकंड थिंग इज अपने पे पूरा मान होना. तीसरा आपने ये सोचना है कि मैंने कुछ बदलाव लाना है जिंदगी में, और जिंदगी में बदलाव लाने के लिए मेरे को आई हैव टू एब्सोल्युटली वो चीजों को हासिल करना है जो मेरे में आज के दौर में नहीं है. एक अच्छे मेंटर को ही तलाश करनी है. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य वॉज ट्रेन्ड बाय चाणक्य. अच्छा सारथी आपको मिल गया, आपकी आधी लड़ाई खत्म है वहां पे. उसके बाद अभ्यास आपने जो करना है उसको छोड़ना नहीं है आपने। जिंदगी इधर से इधर हो जाए, आपका जो वो सोच है, फोकस है, आपका जो अंदर दृढ़ निश्चय है, और आपका जो आपने धारणा धारी है, टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज रिक्वायर्स सर्टन अमाउंट ऑफ टर्बुलेंस। सिलेबस पूरा पकड़ो, पैटर्न को चेक करो, स्मार्ट स्टडी को रखो, इस चीजों को और कंसिस्टेंसी। कहने का मतलब 6 घंटे अगर मैंने बैठना है तो मैंने बैठना है, उसमें दो राय नहीं है। और साथ ही में पैटर्न आपको एक बार क्वेश्चन का पता चल गया, उसके फिर लास्ट 10 इयर्स के क्वेश्चन बैंक को लेके आपको सॉल्व करने हैं। वो करने हैं जब कंपटीशन से 1 महीना पहले पहले तैयारी रखनी है। ओके, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई होप आई हैव क्लैरिफाइड और सेटिस्फाइड योर क्वेरी।
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Sir, next we have Sangeeta Kaur. Taking the question है, how to get rid of distractions during study time, especially when you are in a joint family.
ओके, आई लाइक टू नो कि व्हाट डिस्ट्रैक्ट यू।
एक्चुअली वाले पढ़ाई के टाइम पे ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं रहता है, दूसरी चीजों पे ज्यादा ध्यान जाता है ना। और लाइक
कौन सी ऐसी जो मेरे को तो रूट पकड़नी है ना, मोबाइल। इज इट
हाँ,
मोबाइल?
लाइक मैं जॉइंट फैमिली में रहता हूँ, तो लाइक बच्चे वगैरह होते हैं तो उन लोगों के साथ खेलना वेलना वगैरह उस सब में टाइम चला जाता है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
फैमिली के
जब
साथ बात करना, बैठना।
देखो संजीता, जब आपने दृढ़ निश्चय किया है ना, आपने आपको डिसिप्लिन में लेके आना है। आपने ये देखना है कि अब्दुल कलाम जो थे, साइकिल के ऊपर मिसाइल के कुछ पार्ट्स लेके जाया करते थे। हाउ ही ग्रू अप इन द लाइफ। जो आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करता है, आपको उससे डिटैच होना है, वो आपको ही करना है। मोबाइल करता है, प्लीज स्विच इट ऑफ। बच्चे खेलते हैं, प्लीज you should also go and play. But when it comes to time, आप खाना खाते हो, उस टाइम कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है, तो ब्रश भी करते हो, कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है, टीवी देखते हो, पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं? वही एक चीज है। Vidyadhan is one of the part which is going to stay with you all the time. We all will leave, everybody, parents, everything. But Vidya is a one part which will make you, which will give you a new horizon. Right? So संजीता, अपने ऊपर पूरा पहले तो दृढ़ निश्चय, पूरा स्ट्रेटेजी प्लानिंग, डिस्ट्रैक्शन वाली चीजों से डिटैच, और ये देखना है मैंने पहले 20 साल जिंदगी के ऐश मारना है कि आने वाला जो है दौर, जो आगे पूरी जिंदगी है, उसमें कुछ करना। आपकी पहचान से आपके माता पिता की पहचान होनी चाहिए। इतना अपने आप को आपने आगे लेके जाना है लाइफ में। ऑलराइट, अपने आप डिस्ट्रैक्शन जो है ना गायब हो जाएगी जब आप सोचना शुरू करोगे कि मैं आने वाले अगले 5 साल में कहाँ हूं, कहाँ बैठी हूं, क्या कर रही हूं। प्लीज स्टार्ट थिंकिंग फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। आप डिस्ट्रैक्शन से कोसों दूर चले जाओगे। ओके, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल इन दिस वर्ल्ड। प्लीज डू दैट। ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू
So next,
संगीता।
so next we are having Sumit Kumar Chaurasia from University of Delhi. So I will request Sumit kindly ask your question.
या गो अहेड प्लीज।
गुड इवनिंग सर, मैं यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था। आई एम ग्रेजुएट, लेकिन कैसा ऐसे बहुत सारी टाइम है कि लॉन्ग टाइम हम नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। कॉलेज है यहाँ से सर 25 किलोमीटर दूर है, आने का दिल्ली का ट्रेवल सर बहुत ज्यादा है, ट्रैफिक में 6 घंटे सर। हाउ
मुझे लगता है कि आपको अगर टाइम मैनेजमेंट है, थोड़ा सा अपने दिन की चीज कार्रवाइयों को यू नीड टू प्राइवेटाइज। आपको प्राइवेटाइज करना शुरू करना चाहिए। प्लीज सर्वाइव दिस टाइम, endure this time मैनेजमेंट इन द टर्म्स ऑफ प्रायोरिटाइजिंग द थिंग। आपको धीरे 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 ये लगना शुरू होगा, शायद आपको टाइम मिलना शुरू हो जाए। मेरे ख्याल से दिस इज व्हाट मैं ये I think visualize from my personal experience.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
So next we are having Ananya Sinha from Banaras Hindu University, BHU. So welcome Ananya. Please ask your question over here.
One of
Banaras
the
Hin-
most finest university in our country after Nalanda, right? तो अनन्या पूछो सवाल.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is quite similar as that of Sumit. When I will enter my college life, I will start preparing for the competitive examination. But as he mentioned that college life brings us so much of things like academics, and also there are so much of co-curriculum activities, societies which we join to groom our personalities. And as you mentioned in your lecture that we should not lock ourselves down, right? So my question is like how to be consistent with our preparation while also getting a hand on all the opportunities that we get being in our college.
The consistency is totally linked with your discipline. You don't let the people watch. Low opinion should affect your that drive which you had thought of. When you confine yourself within that discipline, the thing which you have selected for the day, which you are doing every day, when you are not deviating, but you need to grade yourself. Keep I am supposed to be meant for this, and for that I'm working hard. Automatically, you will remain consistent in that. I started running when I was in 9th standard. Believe me, there is no Sunday. The day I was getting married, I went for a jog. The entire Bharati Devalu. That's a consistency. It's a discipline. I will get married, but what I love the most, my identity is this. I have to be a striker. I have to project myself in the manner I want other person to perceive me. I have to be disciplined. And that's the reason that will take you to the glorious height. Even Sumit also, if we start doing the time management, which one day he'll be very successful. This is what I have to. All right.
Sir, next we are having Ruchi Kumari from MNIT Allahabad. So you're welcome, Ruchi. You can ask your question over here.
So my question to you is, what are the key skills a student should focus on developing in today's fast-changing world, where technology is changing every day?
Everything has got a saturation point. To be very hopeful, but as I said, technology is obsolete. Every day it is. Today, robo comes, do the foot massaging. One day, robo will come, do the head massaging. Robos are doing patrolling at Israeli borders. Drone system has come. AI has come. Flana has come. Everything has come. But you should not forget, it was the man, human, who created it. Means what I'm trying to say, it was the human signature required everywhere on the technology. Technology cannot really govern us. They cannot make us slaves. We have to make them slaves. We have to use them as per our requirement. So do not get over bogged down by the technology challenges. आज मोबाइल है, कल कुछ और आ जाएगा. मोबाइल पकड़ने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. One day you find nothing is there. You are back to square one. So ज्यादा घबराना नहीं है टेक्नोलॉजी को देख के. हाँ, appraise yourself. In the term, क्या changes आए हैं? That damn thing should not be alien to you. ये नहीं होना चाहिए आपको पता नहीं उसके बारे में. पर ये नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे को पता, जो थोड़ा बहुत पता है, पर अब ये बदलाव हो गया, मैं पीछे रह गई. तुम कभी पीछे नहीं रहोगे. Human being will never remain behind. I'm telling you very clearly.
सर आपके अनुभव और विचारों ने हमें बहुत बहुत सीख दी है कि कैसे लाइफ जीनी है. It's not always about the motivation, it's always the consistency which drives you, the hunger for knowledge और बाकी चीजें कि आगे कैसे बढ़ते रहना. सर अगर आप एक लास्ट मैसेज हमारे ऑडियंस को देना चाहे तो छोटा सा.
My last message to the audience, please start believing in the ancient culture also. Don't get too much modernized that we start forgetting our own identity. We were actually belong to that great nation which has created a niches in entire world in the field of science, medicine, space technology, war system, and we have won so many brilliant wars. But still, the first lesson which I learned in my Sikh regiment when I joined as a young officer, they said ki in Punjabi they say Sikhan da man niva mat uchi, means keep your lifestyle has to be very simple, but your aim has to be very high. Please do not forget the simplicity for the sake of gaining glorious heights. Please don't change your values. Do not get bogged down by other opinions. You are born leader. You will strive. You will definitely win. And provided you decide in your own heart that I am the person who is born to create my own identity. One world, one life. I will make this globe something brilliant, and my aim will be to become a good citizen, effective citizen, and after achieving some heights, I will start contributing toward nation building. When you start thinking like that, a simple man with a simple thought, with a high vision, you will be absolutely standing in one of the finest glorious heights.
थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर शेयरिंग योर व्यूज विद अस। धन्यवाद आप हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे आए, हमें ज्वाइन किया, हमारे स्कॉलर्स को, हमारी टीम को, कि ये पॉडकास्ट हो पाया। लाइक वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हैविंग यू विद अस। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टुडे।
Yeah, thanks a ton, all of you.
Thanks,
Mr.
sir.
Sapan, yeah, good evening, Aman.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yes. Once again, I congratulate all of you that you're doing a very noble job. Through your platform, you are enlightening so many brilliant minds who are future of our country, and they are going to do wonders. My best wishes. Thanks a ton. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind,
जय
sir.
हिंद सर।